Hey guys, good afternoon. Hope everyone is doing great. So the reason I started the vlog in the evening today is so there is a new car coming into the house. So my brother is getting the car to the home and the delivery is today only. So I need to rush now because the delivery time is at 8 o'clock and the time is 7. So I need to rush because he's continuously calling me. If I get late, he'll be killing me now. We will meet you soon. So I just wore a t-shirt normally and we're getting started now. आज तो पार्टी लेना है. It's time to go to take the delivery now. So now we are in the showroom and I'm too late and he'll be killing me now. This is a crazy thing here. Light. Let's get in the cockpit. Oh, this looks decent. This is decent. So this is Skoda Slavia and I'm in love with this screen, dude. This is huge and I'm in love with this. And this car is pretty cool. I loved it. And congrats Nitish bhai. Chalo, 1, 2, 3. So back. Can you please mute for 2 minutes? So back to home. The puja is done and I'm so tired. So I forgot. We'll unbox AirPods. So I forgot that we were in a trip and I forgot that we bought AirPods and I just kept aside. And today we'll open it, we'll unbox it. So these are my second AirPods and if dad knows that I bought new one, he's gonna kill me. I unboxed it, I'm re-unboxing it. So these are manuals. This is where the airport is. Cable, buds. So not. So let's open this. I didn't open this, but I just opened the box. अरे यार भाई क्यों इतना सता रहा? Let me tear it. This is not coming. Ta-da! So here are the AirPods. And let's end the vlog and hope you guys also love this vlog. Do like, share and subscribe. Signing off, Rishhh Vlogs.